Hi friends, today we are making a warm and welcoming autumn wreath, perfect for your front door, mantle or anywhere you want to bring a little fall magic into your home. In this video I'll show you how to layer leaves, berries, pine cones and faux fruits to create a wreath that feels like a cozy walk through the autumn woods. It is easy, budget friendly and so satisfying to make. So without further ado, let's grab all materials and make it.
I'm starting with a large wire frame as my base. It is about 64 centimeter in diameter. You can use lots of different alternatives like grapevine or styrofoam, but I went with a wire because I couldn't find one this big anywhere, so I decided to make my own. Let's begin by adding the greenery for this one. I'm using magnolia stems. I love the rich glossy leaves. I like to wire or tuck in the large leaves first, working my way around the wreath in a circle so everything feels balanced. Once the greenery is in place, it is time to add the statement pieces. I'm using a mix of berry and fruit stems, but feel free to use whatever you have on hand, like pears, pomegranates, apples, artichokes, and of course some pine cones. Space them out evenly and don't be afraid to play around until it feels right. To make it feel even more autumnal, I'm adding some olive stems in a soft brown color. When I like to fill in the gaps with a smaller accents, I'm using these beautiful burgundy stems. I just love the richness of the color and the texture. You can also add more berries or other little pops of color. This is where the wreath really comes to life. The finished touch, I'm adding a few leafy stems in the warm amber shades. They have a perfect accent to pull everything together. And that's it. Your cozy nature-inspired autumn wreath is ready. I just love how all the texture and color makes it looks like you've gathered everything on the walk through the autumn woods. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more cozy DIY and upcycle ideas, and share your creation with me. I would absolutely love to see them.